Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to enter recovery mode, just turn off your device first, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up, for a couple of seconds. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. And that's how you will enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and here you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, power off, and enable ADB. If you want to exit this mode, you can select the option power off and just turn off your device, or you can select reboot system now and restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.